What if I told you that the less you care, the more she will chase? That the moment you stop seeking her approval, she will crave yours? This is not a trick. It is not manipulation. It is a fundamental truth about human nature, especially in attraction. Most men fail in relationships because they break the number one rule of attraction. They overvalue women while undervaluing themselves. They give too much, too soon. They place women on a pedestal, thinking that affection, attention, and constant availability will win her over. But it never does. Instead, she loses interest. She begins to pull away, and the more he chases, the faster she runs. Now look at the opposite kind of man, the one who is mysterious, the one who remains calm and controlled no matter what she does. This is the man who doesn't seek her attention. He doesn't react emotionally to her games. He is content with or without her presence. And yet, this is the man she cannot stop thinking about. This is the man who commands respect. Why? Because he understands the power of indifference. Women are not drawn to men who make them their entire world. They are drawn to men who have their own world, and they invite her into it on their own terms. The moment you show a woman that she is your main focus, that her actions determine your mood, that her validation is what fuels your confidence, you lose. A woman does not want to be the source of your strength. She wants to admire your strength. She does not want a man who is emotionally unstable, reactive, or desperate. She wants a man who is in complete control of himself. Indifference is not about being cold or disrespectful. It is about being unshaken. When a woman sees that her presence or absence does not affect your confidence, it triggers something deep within her. It makes her question whether she has your full attention. And the moment she questions, the moment she begins to doubt her hold over you, that is when attraction intensifies. This is why women chase men who are unavailable. It's not because they enjoy rejection. It's because they desire the validation of winning over a man who is not easily won. This is where most men fail. They fail to understand that a woman does not want a man who is overly eager. She does not want a man who gives his emotions away freely. She wants a challenge. She wants a man who has options, confidence, and discipline. The moment she senses that you are desperate for her attention, the game is over. Think about the most attractive men in history: warriors, leaders, kings, and conquerors. Do you think these men begged for a woman's affection? Do you think they rearranged their lives to accommodate her every mood? No, they were focused on their mission, their purpose, their own self-mastery. And because of this, women naturally gravitated toward them. The less they chased, the more they attracted. Attraction is not built through words, gifts, or constant attention. It is built through space, the slight delay in your response, the way you don't react when she tries to provoke you, the way you walk away instead of begging for her to stay. These small actions show that you are in control. And the less control she has over your emotions, the more she will crave your presence. A woman cannot respect a man who is weak. She cannot be attracted to a man who is too easy to win. She may enjoy the validation, but deep down, she will always long for the man who holds his own. A man who does not break under pressure. A man who does not need her. And that is the secret most men never understand. So how do you apply this in your life? Simple. Stop seeking her validation. Stop texting first. Stop over-explaining yourself. Stop reacting emotionally. Become the man who does not chase, because the man who does not chase is the man who is chased. For the next 7 days, I challenge you to practice indifference. Remove your emotional investment. Watch what happens when you stop trying so hard. Watch how women begin to notice you more when you start noticing them less. Watch how people treat you differently when you walk with confidence instead of seeking approval. This is the beginning of your transformation. If you're ready to master this power, subscribe now and start your journey to becoming the indifferent man.